I'm going to introduce you a simple recipe for the ice cream and very special one, pumpkin seed oil, which you will use on the top. Pumpkin seed oil is very famous in north part of Croatia and it's very healthy to use it. Pumpkin seed, we will use cream, condensed milk, 3 kinds of chocolates, dark, white and milk, and some liquid chocolate and vanilla pot. And at the end, vanilla extract. First, we will mix cream. We will mix between 3 and 5 minutes. And this is finished. Now we will add condensed milk. And mix it. So this is ready. Preparing 2 kinds chocolate ice cream and vanilla. I will put in 2 plastic. It's sweet enough because condensed milk is very sweet. But if you'd like more sugar, you can add powdered sugar. We will mix chocolates. I like a lot of chocolate, so also our children, so don't be shy to put chocolate. Creamy chocolate. I will use to add like that. One more to have fun. If you like chocolate, so, and then also hashi to make it we have a vanilla pot, so try to these precious things inside in ice cream. Okay. Only what you need to mix it. And we will add vanilla extract. Or if you'd like to have it less, put less, everything is up to you. And only what you need to put in fridge at least 6 hours and it will be ready. And now we will put pumpkin seed in a pan. Just a little bit, it will be a nice smell and it's a nicer flavor. This is 1-2 minutes, so it depends when it's very. So. And now ice cream after 6 hours. We will put pumpkin seed and pumpkin seed oil. And now it's ready. It's a very simple recipe and you can prepare it at your home.
It is sour cherry liqueur. Drink it as digestive.
Vanilla ice cream and chocolate ice cream.
Where did you buy it?
Actually, it's homemade.
Of course I know. Blažika is making wonderful homemade ice cream, but this one is very special one because this is made with pumpkin seed oil and pumpkin seeds. Usually, pumpkin seed oil and pumpkin seeds is mostly used for salads, but 10 or so years ago, we started to match these two because matches perfectly well, but also pumpkin seed oil and pumpkin seeds are very, very healthy. So let me try vanilla ice cream. Super delicious, but it's also very strong, so you cannot eat too much of it. Vanilla one, wow. Too good to be true. The chocolate one. I cannot decide which one is better, but I do know that I cannot stop eating it. I don't feel like going to restaurants because it's such wonderful food. But at the same time, I don't want my wife to suffer all the time. So of course I'm taking her to a number of Japanese restaurants because both of us also like Japanese food.